All right, so this thing, it's not working. It fell on the floor. So we're going to replace this. And to get it off, you need a Phillips head, I think. So we're going to go in here. You know what? That one ain't going to work, is it? Okay, so this one should work. Oh, there we go. Check it out. So check out small. So I'm just going to lift it up this way so I don't lose the screws. It really doesn't matter because the new ones come with screws. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? There's one. And there's two. And now this should just pop out. So that's it, right? Now let's see if this thing moves. Yeah. All right, so maybe that was our problem. So we did purchase this, okay? Take a look. This is the name of it. And hopefully that will solve our problem. Let's get it out of this package. As you can see, it does come with 2 screws. You follows me? So I think all we got to do is just screw it in there. Let's see if it's basically the same. I think so, right? They look about the same. All right, well, let's give it a go, right? So this thing circles like this, and it moves this like this. But that's not, for some reason, that's not working. I might not have had it on there right. Maybe I got to do that. Let's try again. See if we can get it to work. Magnetic. Maybe I just didn't put it in right. We'll see. Cross your fingers. So now I got it in there. It's having trouble moving this. There we go. How do you like those apples? All right, we got it going. Okay. This one, I guess maybe we'll send this one back. All right, all is well that ends well. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.